In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Notify Me When Back in Stock feature to your Shopify store. A great way to keep your customers engaged even when a popular product sells out. This feature allows you to notify customers when an out-of-stock item is available again, helping you retain interested buyers and potentially boost your sales. Now, let's walk through the steps to set this up on your Shopify store. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Log into your Shopify account and head over to the admin dashboard. This will be your command center where you manage everything related to your store. Next, on the dashboard, look for an option labeled Add. This is generally located in the menu options or your navigational panel. Click on it to proceed. There, you'll find various options to enhance and customize your store. What we need here is the Shopify App Store, so go ahead and click on that option when you see it. The Shopify App Store is your source for thousands of apps that can add extra functionality to your store, from email marketing tools to advanced analytics. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed, ready to take your query. Type in Notify Me into the search bar. This will help you find apps specifically designed for notifying customers about product availability. After typing that in, you will see a list of apps. Find the one that stands out. It should be called Notify Me or something similar. Click on it to learn more about what the app offers. Generally, this type of app will allow you to create a notification or email list for products when they come back in stock. Now locate the app titled Notify Back in Stock Pre-Order. This is the specific app you want for this tutorial. It's known for its effectiveness and popularity among Shopify users looking to manage sold-out items efficiently by keeping customer interest peaked. The final step is to install the app. Click on the Install button you will find on the app's page. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that might pop up to complete the installation process. Once installed, the app might require you to do some initial setup, but it'll walk you through the process to connect the app to your store inventory seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Notify Me When Back in Stock feature to your Shopify store. This update will help inform eager customers when your store's popular items are available again, keeping them engaged and excited to shop with you. Thank you for watching, and stick around for more tutorials on enhancing your Shopify store experience.